Kawaw Math! In this video, ang tatalakayin natin, ano nga ba ang quadratic equation? Paano ba natin sinusulat ang quadratic equation into standard form? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Also, i-identify natin ang a, b, and c value given ang quadratic equation. So, halina't matuto. Meron ako ditong mathematical equations. So, ang gagawin natin, let's try to identify the linear equations. Isa-isahin natin. Alright. So, meron na lang tayong 6 na natitira at nalipat sa kabila ang tinatawag nating linear equation. Now, ano ba itong mga natitirang mathematical equations? So, itong 6 na to, ang tinatawag nating quadratic equation. Paano ba natin malalaman na quadratic equation? A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2. Pag sinabi nating degree 2, second degree, ito ang makikita natin. So, pag hindi natin yan nakita, ibig sabihin, pag wala siyang 2 or squared or exponent na 2, ibig sabihin that is only a linear equation. Now, since meron tayong 2, which is on the second degree, then we can now consider this as quadratic equation. Now, always remember that a quadratic equation can be written. Pwede natin siyang isulat into standard form. Ano nga ba ang standard form? We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Tatandaan natin na ang a natin ay dapat hindi siya mag-equal sa 0 or else magiging linear equation lamang ito. Note, in standard form, a should be a positive real number. Tatandaan natin yan. Alright. Let's have the parts of quadratic equation. What is ax squared? This is our quadratic term. So, we have 3 terms in quadratic equation. Now, what do we call the second term? Bx is the linear term, while c is our constant term. So, in quadratic equation, in standard form, ax squared is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is your constant term. Equals 0. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's try to identify a, b, and c given the following quadratic equation. So, I have here x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, ano nga ba ang a value, b value, and c value of the given quadratic equation? So, a is equal to 1 since we all know that variable is always, the numerical coefficient of the variable is always 1. Next, b is equal to negative 5. So, ito yung nasa gitna. And then, c is equal to 3. So, yan lang ang paraan ng pagkuha ng a, b, and c. You have to arrange it first into standard form para makuha natin ang value ng a, b, and c. Next, 4m squared plus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1. Next, In this given example, 9r squared minus 25, we do not have the b value. So, what will be the b value kapag wala siya dun sa quadratic equation? So, our a will be 9, b will become 0, and then c is equal to negative 25. Next, a is equal to 1/2, b is equal to 3. Okay, dito naman, sa last example natin, kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong constant term. So therefore, our C will be 0.